Hello, everyone. Today we are doing our kitchen spring refresh where the feel is going to be elegant but soft, cozy, and inviting. This is the fourth episode of my Spring 2026 decorating series where we will decorate this space using my black, white, and soft green decor collection. The black grounds things, the white makes everything feel fresh, and the green reminds us that spring is here. I am so happy that you are here to decorate with me while I transform our kitchen for the spring season. I love to decorate early in the mornings, and along with that comes my coffee and a candle that for me always gets me in a calm, relaxing mood. Remember, if what you see here today inspires you, please do give this video a like, hype it, and subscribe to my channel because your support does so much for the growth of my channel. Now let's decorate.
All chance, but either way, you showed me how to reach for the best of myself. It's all good when you show the way, yeah. 'Cause even if I fall, ooh, I trust you'll stay, yeah, stay. And through the dark and cold, I know it's all good, 'cause now I'm the best of myself. Tried so hard, stumbling in the dark, to learn how to see what you already saw. You're the one to blame for the fact that I can reach for the best of myself. It's all good when you show the way, yeah. Even if I fall, ooh, I trust you'll stay, yeah. And through the dark and cold, I know it's all good, 'cause I found the best of myself, yeah. Ooh, we're sailing on across an open sea that's anxious so calm. But I know now, either way, it's all good, 'cause I found the best of myself, yeah. 'Cause you show the way.
Decorating is not about perfection. It's about creating a space that feels good to live in. These little moments may seem small, but they change how a space feels and how we feel in it. This is my spring kitchen. It feels lighter and softer and a little more like spring. We created a fresh space, a space that we just want to live in. Please comment below and let me know some of your favorite decor moments. And please also check out my spring 2026 decor haul for the items that I use in my kitchen refresh. Thanks everyone for stopping by, and I'll see you real soon.